Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Calculation of goodwill, valuation of goodwill, how do we value? So that we are discussing. There are total 5 methods. First method is not practical and we are discussing second method, that is average profit method. Average profit method, simple average profit we have seen in the last class, how to calculate. Today also we are going to see simple average profit method but with adjustments. We have some adjustments related to the profit. That adjustments we have to complete, then you will be getting adjusted profits. That adjusted profit average we are going to take. Nothing to worry, easy, just focus 5 minutes, you will understand the problem. Now this is the problem given to us. What is the problem? Anil purchased business from Sunil on 31st October 2021. Okay, Sunil profits were, okay, Anil purchased from Sunil. Sunil business, no, Sunil profits were like this, 3 years profits are given, 18, 19, 20. And it was, this is general problem and there are some adjustments. This paragraph you need to understand. What they are saying, it is ascertained that the profits of 2019 include a non-recurring item of 800. Profit of 2019 means here something is included. What is that included? Non-recurring item of 200 rupees. Non-recurring. Anytime if you find non-recurring item, that has to be deducted. So 800 we are going to deduct. I'll use different color. So 800 we are going to minus it. It's included, na? If we deduct it, then only you will get exact profit. So non-recurring item of 800 is included and a profit of 2020 was reduced by 2000 due. So here this is reduced. 2020 profit 2000 was reduced. Reduced, it is related to 2020 only, na? When it is reduced, we will add it to know the exact profit. So we are going to add this. Are you getting it? Here profit of 2020 was reduced by 2000 rupees. 2020 profit is 32,000, na? It is reduced by 2000 rupees. 2000 it is reduced. We will add it to know the exact profit of 2020. Are you getting this? That is the reason we are adding it. We are going to add. And next, on account of theft, it is planned to take an insurance policy in the future. Account theft, something happened, so in future it should not happen. To recover such kind of losses, we are planning to take insurance policy in the future and premium will be 100 rupees per annum. They wanted to pay premium of 100 rupees per annum. So this is going to decrease the profit. So that is why we are going to deduct this 100 rupees per annum means full year 100 into 12. Okay. So 1200 it will be 1200 we are going to reduce every year because insurance policy premium we are paying. So profit is going to decrease, that is the reason we are deducting it. Am I clear? Next one, Anil wants to replace the manager who is paid a monthly salary of 300. Anil wants to replace the manager who is paid a monthly salary of 300. Manager they wanted to replace. Means their salaries, means this salary is going to be saved. When it is saving, we will add to the profit. So that is the reason we are going to add it. So Anil wants to replace the manager who is paid a monthly salary of 300. So Anil is removing the manager. So 300 is saving. So we are going to add to the profit. So these are the 4 adjustments. One is 800, second one 2000, 100 rupees per annum and 300. Okay. So these are the items we have to adjust to the profits. If we adjust it, we will get adjusted profit. That will complete it first. Okay. Then after that what they are saying, goodwill is estimated at 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Average profit of last 3 years is calculated with 2 years purchase. And calculate goodwill under average profit method. When you know that these are the adjustments are there, you have to calculate the adjusted profit. For that purpose, I have drawn this table. Calculation of adjusted profited. These adjustments we are going to do. Now to calculate adjusted profit, first we will write the profits of 2018, 19, 20. So let me write first profits. 30,500, 21,000, 32,000. Now we are going to add or deduct all these transactions. First one is that a non-recurring item. This is to be deducted. So less non-recurring item. This is related to 2019 only. If you see the sentence, it was ascertained that the profit of 2019 included non-recurring item of 800, 2019 only. So we'll take to the, what is this amount? 800. For 2019 only we have taken. And so the rest of the years, no. Let us deduct it. Or shall we do the calculations at a time? Or let us add or deduct all the calculations, we will do it later. Next one, profit of 2020 was reduced by 2000, only 2020, not all the years. So 2020 only we are going to add, how much it is? 2000, 2020. Add profit reduced. Profit reduced due to loss. Next, these two are over. Next, this one is here. On account of theft, it is planned to take an insurance policy in the future. Premium of 1000 rupees, premium will be 1000 rupees per annum. Premium every year we are paying means profit is going to decrease. So that is why we are going to deduct it. So this is for all the years. Less insurance premium. ₹100 per annum. Per annum means, okay, we can take per month. If it is, then we would have taken, I think in the problem by mistake I have written, I think it is, if it is per annum, okay, we can take as it is. I thought it is per month. So that is why while giving the explanation I said 100 into 12. Not required, because this is per annum. Per annum means as it is, will take 100 for all the years. Over this one. And Anil wants to replace the manager who is paid a monthly salary of 300. Anil want to replace. When he is replacing means profit is going to save. So we are going to add this. Add manager's salary. $300 will add. So after calculations, whatever we are going to get, that is adjusted profit. We'll use the calculator. Let us do the calculations fatafat. Okay. So 30,500. To this, what we have to do? Deduct 100 minus 100 and add 300. 30,700 it is. Second one is 21,000. To this, deduct 800 minus 800 and deduct 100 and add 300. It is 20,400. Next, to 32,000 we are going to add 2,000, means 34,000. 34,000 and less 100 and add 300. 34,200. Adjusted profit, you got it. Now what else is needed? Simply apply the formula. So here goodwill is equal to profit, average profit, adjusted average profit. Okay, average profit into what is this? 2 years purchase of 2 years. Adjusted average profit. First we need to know adjusted average profit. So average profit, adjusted average profit. How do you get 30,700 plus 20,400 plus 34,200 divided by 3. Once again calculator. 30,700 plus 20,400 plus 34,200. Okay, 85,300 divided by, directly I'll do divided by 3, it is 2843, 2,843. So this is average profit. Now we'll apply it in the formula. Adjusted average profit is, you got 2,843 into purchase of 2 years into 2. 2 6 are, if you have to multiply, you will get 5,686. Clear? First take a screenshot or pause the video and note down, then I'll give you recap once again. Now see, the problem is simple, same like previous one, only the thing is we have some adjustments, these adjustments. You must know what is to add, what is to deduct it. Now when we have adjustments, we have prepared this adjusted profit table. Otherwise not required, we would have gone for direct calculations. Now when you find adjustments, very important this one, do the adjustments, subtract or add it, so that you'll be getting adjusted profit. As we know that we have 4 transactions. One is 800, 2000, 100 and 300. So 4 transactions we have adjusted. After adjusting, you got this much of profit, adjusted profit. If you write the formula, goodwill calculation in average profit is here, adjusted average profit into purchase of 2 years. Adjusted average profit we want. So we have calculated adjusted average profit, that is equal to all these 3 divided by 3. You got 2,843. When you know this, simply apply in the formula. Adjusted average profit 2843 into purchase of 2 years. If you multiply, you are getting 5,686. Am I clear? Yeah, correct. That's it, simple. Nothing to worry. And do one thing, take out your textbook, work out illustrations and work out exercises which are given in the back side of the same chapter, so that you'll have more clarity. The more problems you work out, it will be more easy. When I was student, I used to prepare at least each and every chapter 20 problems continuously, rough notes separate and main notes. So fair notes is separately I used to maintain, and practicing a lot. That is very much important. Please practice it. Don't forget to share this video, check out the playlist for more subjects, and also practice well and have a bright career. Good luck.